I-ANC icela amazwe omhlaba ukuthi angayiphoqi ukubopha uPutin. Ithi yona-ke ayifisi ukuthela upetrol empini yaseRussia ne-Ukraine, kodwa-ke ifisa-ke kube noxolo. Kanti-ke izolo umengameli ukubeke kwacaca ukuthi ukubopha-ke uPutin kuyobe-ke kusho ukuhlokoloza inyoka-ke isemgodini. Kanti-ke amazwe omhlaba nawo ayawuqinisa noma-ke ayawuqinisa umkhankaso wawo, athi-ke akayocela noma-ke akayiceli iSouth Africa ukuthi-ke ibophe uPutin, kodwa-ke ayina-choice
position as the African National Congress is that let us not fuel the tensions that are there, and let us not take sides. Let us intervene, and we support President Ramaphosa and the 7 other leaders of Africa who have gone there to ensure that we de-escalate the tensions. So we're calling on everyone in the world to give peace a chance. Let us de-escalate and not fuel the tensions that are there. I think every citizen of the world deserves peace, especially the most vulnerable, the women, the children. Families have been torn apart, and it is not really a correct environment for people to live in fear of one dying any moment. So let's give peace a chance.
Omunye-ke uphawule kanje ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana uthi-ke abazibophele bona bakithi ifuke bengasiceli besikhomba-ke noma-ke sebengenza abakwenzayo, ngoba phela uhulumeni uyasho ngeke akwazi-ke ukumelana nempi yeRussia-ke mese-ke isihlasele iRussia. Lamazwe-ke ngeke asisize. E-Ukraine-ke badlala-ke i-USA yabaqhatha-ke neRussia. Today awekho-ke wonke lamazwe-ke ayethi azoseka-ke i-Ukraine, ingavumi-ke ukudlala iRussia. Wengenza kwethu hlangapha ku-comment section. Mina ngifisa ukuthi ngizuvo lokho, ungakhohlwa ucindezela usubscribe uzokwazi zonke izinto engiyiphostayo kuyona-ke le channel.